In the 666. Travis in the 10. And the 8 right there. We shut down now 5-1 going. Maybe 26 all done. 666 all done. 18B 88. 47 on the clock and 18B.
You can't get loose over there.
We got 1, 2, 3. Jeremy Clackett, a winner.
New wheel on there with the tire. Oh, there's the other little forklift. Took them a while to get going. Yeah.
All that fluid.
Yeah, but look at his back tires like this. Look at the bounce. Got no tire. Really high. Back end must be dug into the dirt.
Jonathan in the 14 with a major problem.
Space savers should win this thing.
Call it! Your 2 winners are going to be the 808 and the 66.
Yeah! 'These autos, hood pretty crumbled up there. Both ends of that car lost a couple of That's gonna get it.
Whoa! 64.
Big time. Look at that hood. Oh, man.
We still got to go.
That dude's
Vicky! Be nice to her, that's a lady.
Oh, here we go. 666. He should win for the biggest hit.
We still got 1, 2,
199, you're in trouble.
5, running 5. Jumping to make a hit. Now we may be down to 4.
Look at that trunk. That's great. Number 69, Heather. We still got 2. Oh. He's gonna get stuck. 199 is all done. I believe 69 is all gold one. Your winner and your runner-up right up. I'm out of here. There you go, a little push. Yeah. He'll be surprised. He'll think his car just started running. Go, 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 go. Big shot way down here on the end. Minute hit. Are we down to 2? We may be down to 2. 72 years. All right, now the object. Well, 1 minivan, 1 maxi van. Nice trailer in the back there. Once you got them running, we got them going. Oh, we got some smoke out there tonight. Get in, 3, 4. Oh, we lost the trailer. Yeah, we lost the trailer. Now we're going to do some damage. Yes, indeed. Once again, we start our show. We gotta do something about that fire here pretty quick. It's right again. We got our local fire departments available. Once again, we got Demolition Derby. Come on back out next year. We're liable to do anything out here.
Just so you don't throw out hats.